BPL 2026 third match details and best playing 11. Dhaka Capitals versus Rajshahi Warriors, 27th December 2025, 1 p.m. Dhaka Capital best 11. Number 1, Alex Hales. Number 2, Saif Hassan. Number 3, Usman Khan. Number 4, Mohammad Mithun. Number 5, Dashun Shanaka. Number 6, Shamim Hussain Patwari. Number 7, Mohammad Saifuddin. Number 8, Sabir Rahman. Number 9, Imad Wasim. Number 10, Taskin Ahmed. Number 11, Maruf Mirdha. Rajshahi Warriors best playing 11. Number 1, Tanzid Hassan Tamim. Number 2, Shahibzada Farhan. Number 3, Nazmul Hussain Shanto. Number 4, Yasir Ali Choudhury. 5, Akbar Ali. Number 6, Mohammad Nawaz. Number 7, Dushan Hemanto. Number 8, Tanzim Hassan Shakir. Number 9, Hassan Murad. Number 10, Jahandar Khan. Number 11, Ripon Mondol.